Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HMBL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, here we are, a good solid move on this one. Very, very impressive bounce. Now, I realize I'm stating the obvious when I say that, but I mean, when you factor in that the price had dropped all the way down here and then all of a sudden closed all the way up there. Great bounce, but that now does bring about the more than valid question of, okay, yes, great bounce, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And let me get rid of that line there. And that all revolves around this area right up here at $1.40. Now, I'm not saying that this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, let's say the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then continues on down. What would you all of a sudden have at that point? You would quite literally have the price having gone right back to where it was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength. But I mean, to be fair, no price just goes straight up either. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves like that, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have lows right there. And if you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do, is it's going to make progress. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as $1.40. In terms of areas of resistance, if this upwards move is going to continue, first level right here, going to be right there at $1.55. And then after $1.55, next key level up there at $1.65. So keep an eye on those couple levels moving forward if this bounce is going to continue. But overall, any angle you look at it, very, very impressive bounce today. Now it's just a question of, can the price build upon it moving forward? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.